Careful over there! Clothespins are attacking! My friend took my curler at the worst possible moment. Megan! And what about my hairstyle? Well, thanks a lot. How do I make curls now? I only have a hairdryer and clothespins. Let's try it. Wrap strands of hair around clothespins like around hair curlers and blow dry them. Remove the clothespins. Whoa, it worked! Bouncy curls without a curling iron. Megan decided to make a new dream catcher, but her threads aren't awake yet. Everything in her craft box is all mixed up, but the universe sent her Christy and some clothespins to help out. Fasten the beginning of the thread with a clothespin. Wrap threads around the clothespins and secure the end. This way, it won't get undone. Put the threads on clothespins into a box. Now they will never get tangled again, and you can do your crafts without any trouble. It's my mom's birthday today, and the best gift is one you made yourself. Cut different sloth bodies out of different shades of cardboard. Add fur and a face using acrylic paint. Attach decorative clothespins instead of paws. Our sloths turned out so cute, just like us. Oh, Mom's coming! Let's hide so we can finish our gift. These girls are up to something again, but I guess I know what's waiting for me. Come on, we need to sign the card, but all the brushes, pens, and feathers are in the room. At least we have a clothespin. It will come in handy. Pour drawing ink into a container. Dip a clothespin into it and carefully write letters on paper by using the different edges of the clothespin. Decorate the message with patterns. Wait for the ink to dry and close the card. Attach it to the present using the same clothespin. Our gift is ready! We can congratulate our mom! Happy birthday, Mommy! Aw, how cute! Thanks! What a nice message! What's inside? My two favorite sloths! They look a lot like you! Thanks, my sweethearts! These adorable sloths will live right here! Wow! The girls haven't cleaned for a long time. They had no idea that some guests would come to visit. Whoops! We weren't expecting company. We need to create an illusion of a clean place. Unfortunately, there aren't any clean dishes. How do we serve food? Here's an idea. I'll use my creative snack stand. Draw marks on the edges of a wooden board. Use super glue to attach wooden sticks to the marks. Tie a cord to the sticks. This will be a stage for my food theater. I just need to add decorations. I'll hang light snacks on it with clothespins. Cheese, meat, herbs, prosciutto, veggies. And I'll stand to cover up the dirty dishes. The guests noticed my decorating talent. They definitely liked this dish. And they didn't even bother about plates. I'm getting ready for a walk, but I can't find a pair of socks. I have this issue all the time. That's it, Megan. I'm not going anywhere. My socks are rebelling against me. They ran away. This is unbelievable. Keep calm. Megan and her super sock organizer are already here. Glue 18 clothespins to a drawing board with identical gaps between them. Use super glue. Knock knock, this is your bright future. Now we are going to put your socks in order. You just have to attach the socks to the board and organize them into pairs. There you go. Now your sock department is well ordered. All the socks are in place. We can go for a walk. I have a box full of memorable cards and photos. It would be great if I could show them off. And I can make that happen. Tie a wide ribbon to a fiberboard ring and make a bow. Attach little decorative pins all around the ring. Use hot glue. Fasten cards and photos onto the clothespins. Hang the artwork on the wall. Now all my cards and photos are on display, and they won't get dusty in the box. This is a simple but nice idea. Ew! Something stinks. I see. This trash has been here since last year. Breathing brings tears to my eyes, but a clothespin will help me. I can quickly throw away all this trash with a pinched nose. No smell will stop me. I want a clothespin on my ear. But I don't want to pay that much money for it. I can just make it myself. Take a wooden clothespin apart. Color the wooden pieces with nail polish and put the clothespin back together. And here is my new earring. Check it out. It's way cheaper than in stores. I want all of Instagram to see me. Tea time! Oh no! A tea bag decided to dive into the boiling water again. Now how do I take it out? Ouch! It's hot! Stop torturing your fingers. Look, just grab the label with a clothespin and your tea bag won't give you any more trouble. The girls love dolling up, but no one loves cleaning up afterwards, especially when it comes to hair in the sink. Ew, that's gross! This is enough to make a whole wig! Thank goodness there's a clothespin nearby! Let's pick up these icky hairs and throw them away. Now this place looks way nicer. Lunch is ready! Bon appetit! Hey, that's mine! Don't touch it! A fork fight is starting, but it leads to unexpected consequences. What's this tool? Fork tweezers? Glue a wooden clothespin to a wooden fork. My forksers are actually very handy. And I got chopsticks with a spring inside. Take the spring out of a clothespin. Cut a little hollow in chopsticks using a knife. Put in the spring. These are diet chopsticks. You can't eat a lot with them. My friend quickly finishes her serving. The tweezers made out of forks turn out to be much more comfortable, and I'm still having a hard time with my chopsticks. Would rather eat with my hands. Hi! I hope you didn't forget to bring my book back. Whoops! Sorry, I forgot. As always. And you also forgot to give back my compass, cuticle massager, meat grinder charger, screwdriver, raccoon leash. Well, that's enough. I know how to make you remember things. Attach a strip of double-sided tape to a ruler. Fasten press-on nails on it. Attach the teeniest decorative clothespins to the nails. Use nail glue. Whoa, what's that? A nail organizer for forgetful people. Now you can write down everything you have to return to me and attach the reminders to your nails. This way you definitely won't forget. Hey, how about your stuff? Well, this girl is hopeless. I'm getting ready for a party and I got a tattoo. But my parents aren't supposed to know about it. I'll cover it up with my long skirt. Mom, Dad, I'm heading out. Great, I passed parental control. Now I'll pin up the skirt with a clothespin, and everyone at the party will see my amazing tattoo. Did you like our life hacks with clothespins? Then comment below which one you would use. Will you make fork tweezers, a stylish earring, a sock organizer, or cute sloth? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new useful life hacks from Troom Troom.